Hi, hello, namaskara. Nanu ನಿಮ್ಮ ತ್ರಿಲೋಕ್ ಸಂಚಾರಿ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಆದೇಶ್ವರ್ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೇನಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಎಂಡ್ ತನಕ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆದೇಶ್ವರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. Kushal bhai, how are you doing?
Good bro. Hi Venu, we have some celebrities at our store today. Let me introduce you to Mr. Jebaraj. He's 7-time national champion Indian road racing, and now his son has gone one step ahead. He's into junior MotoGP. Jeffrey, we are behind him. We will support him to the MotoGP. Our Indian MotoGP rider is getting ready.
So how are you doing, sir?
All well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And next I'm going to introduce you to the fastest Indian couple to ride all over India, Sameera and Praveen.
Hi.
And they come as a POLYTRON distributor. And they have covered all over India using POLYTRON products, after which they have taken the distribution. So their feedback, their concerns would matter to us.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, namaskar sir. Chanagidra?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are all good.
Then sir, any other updates?
Yes. Now the reason all these celebrities are here is Jebaraj, Sameera, Praveen have come to flag off this ride, Unity road trip, where we riders are united towards everything. Like you take it molestation, you take it. We are united for females. Today we want equality in society. So biking is a passion where people get united very easily, and like our community is very very strong. Like today we call upon somebody, there are 100 people standing behind our back supporting us. That is biking, and that's why we are so very happy to be connected with this community and would like the community to grow and always good, and we want to promote safety. Biking community is one of the community where the word spreads fast, so any message we have to pass on to the community, it goes fast. The society is united because of that.
So any inputs from you guys?
I think first, awesome to meet Kushal. First, I've been his customer, and now we're dealing products. And amazing to meet the champion. So I always was into sports myself. So meeting somebody from India and getting somebody from India to to the world in the world of MotoGP, I think would be nothing better. And it is very common. We have a lot of people from Hero, Santosh, and other people. So on the MotoGP circuit, if it is the first time, thing will be fabulous. And a huge MotoGP fan. So absolutely looking forward to see Jeffrey on the track to get the name of India, there. Absolutely. And I think that's one. And from product POLYTRON, I think we use this on a fast on trip. So basically, what this product is, it reduces your friction by 90%. It can be used anything that uses oil as a mechanism for lubrication. So basically, it reduces the burn of the oil and gives you longer longevity in terms of the oil condition and the service intervals as well. And we did it on 390s. I never thought without mechanical failure we'll be able to do it, but thanks to POLYTRON, without any break of the engine or mechanical fault, we did it. We had a couple of accidents. The chassis broke, but nothing happened to the engine. So that's how good the product is. So we vouch for it as well.
Yeah, and we are actually looking forward to put out a good coupon discount for you guys. And this is actually because we are the riders first. We are the one who have been around motorcycles from quite a long time, and we have been used multiple products on our bike to make sure that the performance stays better, because that leads the rider best, right? So we will be coming up with the coupon codes with the product we have. It's a MTC and fuel conditioner and a chain loop. So stay tuned. You will be getting the details about it.
Sure. Ma'am, anything about the Unity ride which you have to add?
The Unity road trip, I think it's a very fantastic thing to really overcome the challenges or the outlook of challenges. I would say that we live in a very multicultural society, and I think trips like this unite a lot of people, comes from different culture backgrounds, and this gives a chance everyone to share what they have, and what they can offer to the society. So being a motorcyclist and always being in this different kind of causes, and to use this platform for people to understand and accept that unity is to be stay together.
Okay, ma'am. And Kushal bhai, I think you have something to show.
Yeah, actually next we are just going down to the vehicle of Mr. Manu Vasudevan. He is one of my support, and his vehicle, we are going to show you some products including POLYTRON, and we watch the video till the end so that you get some offers from us, from Adeshwar's team, plus POLYTRON. There's a lot to come. Stay tuned.
how are you doing?
I'm good. Please come.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರ ಮಗನೂ ಅದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ. ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಹೌ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್?
Thanks a lot. Hi everyone. I'm an Indian national champion, 7 times Indian national champion. I'm very happy to be here in the morning to be part of this united biking community who have gone for a good ride. I just came to wish them well, and I'm happy to also share that my son will be taking part in this European Talent Cup, which is Junior GP, 2 steps down to MotoGP. He'll be the first Indian to do so. This year will be the first year, and we are hoping that he's 17 years old, and we hope this journey starts from here. We need your support. We need prayers and support so that we are in the effort of putting Indian map in the MotoGP circuits. So that's the effort. Thank you all, and keep supporting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, back to the video with Venu. I want to introduce you to the KTM Adventure. This bike is totally done by Adeshwar and it's accessorized by Motech. Starting with what is it accessorized with is the crash guard with dual sliders. Then we come to the top rack. Now the top rack has mounted a 6.5 kg metal box which is also from Motech. Okay, and after the top rack we come to the saddle stay. Now if you see, the importance of this top rack is we have not removed any grab rail. No originality of the vehicle is gone. The grab rail is there and the top rack is mounted, and our saddle stay is independent of top rack because the saddle stay is attached on 2 different bolts in the KTM ATV. Then we come down to our handlebar razor from Motech, and then down we go to the main part, the important part for the KTM Adventure, because this vehicle is adventurous but not its radiator, so we have to cover its radiator. So the radiator guard from Motech, which is made up of high grade aluminium, which is used in the aircraft, and it is an honeycomb pattern design, single piece. There is no weld, there is no joint. It's a single piece radiator guard made with high grade aluminium. Then we come to the Motech Oxlite clamp. This is an Oxlite clamp which just sits below the ADV, and you can mount any of the Oxlites like Mad Dog, HJG, Denali, any Oxlite can be mounted on there. Now coming down to the vehicle's performance, we have the owner, Mr. Manu Vasudevan, who is using this vehicle, and he will tell you more about it. Manu sir.
Hi. So I'm a big time fan and customer of Adeshwar Rydersarena, and whatever is done in this bike, I wanted it to be from under one roof. I was very clear about that, because what happens is each time you put a product from a place, how many places will you keep going to change the product? So that's not the answer to that. For the passion of riding, I do a lot of long distances. This vehicle goes through some really torturous road and speeds which are in excess of 160 kilometers per hour. And something important that today we are going to show you, which I have been using it, and I am very proud to say that is okay. One is the bike and its accessories. These, the top rack, the saddle stay, the crash guard, the clamps that hold my Mad Dog, the Pro Spec on top, even to the smallest thing like probably the mirrors in this bike, the risers. These are all tested at very high speeds and long distances without stopping. One is this. Plus, what's more important is the people who fix it. Alim bhai, aap thoda is taraf aiye. So this is a gentleman who does all the work on this bike. Extremely famous. The shop is very famous on JC Road, and it's right next to the regional passport office. One-stop shop for all the product and services. And it is this man who actually keeps this bike the way it is. This is a well-knit bike, a well-made bike. You will see no drama happening around this bike. Very practical, and it gives me, it's a very safe bike. None of these products move, shake, rattle, nothing of that sort. And the most important thing, what runs in this to keep it that way are these products that you see on top. I use the one for petrol, and then I use this product which is the engine oil. So it is coming for a replacement, which Alim bhai is going to put it into the bike today and show you a live description. The vehicle runs extremely soft and smooth. It is butter smooth, and since I do 350 kilometers plus from Chennai to Bangalore, Bangalore to Chennai non-stop, this is happening non-stop, it has to be having these kind of additives in the bike so that the bike does not, due to high speed and high temperatures, the oil quality deteriorates very fast. I would request Praveen, who is the distributor for POLYTRON, and Sameera to join us, and they will talk about this particular product that we are going to put on this bike. Please come, Sameera. So husband and wife, they are the fastest biker couple in India, and they are now distributors for POLYTRON in India. This product is available with Kushal's Adeshwar, right? So would you like to hand over and ask him to pour it?
three products. One is the MTC, is called the metal treatment conditioner. We have fuel additive and a chain spray. This is directly imported from a company called POLYTRON, where they manufacture for multiple armies across the world. And it came into India for Siemens, L&T and few factories in Volvo, and it's certified by them as well. So this product basically reduces your friction by about 90-95%. So basically, it doesn't allow the oil to burn. Have a lot of degrade as well. We tried on Dukes. Usually we replace our engine oil every 3,000. We've run it for 7,000 kilometers and the engine oil is still good, and the engine remains really smooth. And an atom level binds with the engine and with the metal and forms a coating there. Once you flush the engine oil off, it goes with it as well, and doesn't form a permanent coating as well. So every time you change the engine oil, you add this additive and it runs to basically improve mileage, and you see a lot of reduction in friction. So basically that's what it does. Vehicle doesn't heat up as well. So that's what you're going to see. So definitely use the product, and also we'll be dropping in coupon code that you can use, and please use the product and give us a feedback as well.
So we will be dropping a coupon code on this channel. You will use that coupon code for all the purchase in Adeshwar, and you can also try our fuel conditioner, and it's a chain loop. It's not like a regular chain loop. It works much better than any other chain loops you have been using too. So all the products are petroleum based, and it's been tested and by all the riders and by us.
So let me explain the fuel additive as well. Use 1 ml per liter, lubricates the entire fuel system. You get better throttle response and mileage as well. And as you use it cleans your fueling system as well. Can use for petrol and diesel applicants as well. The chain spray, yeah, this is a little expensive product, but we use a lot of chain spray in the market. Ensure you don't use any kind of degrease in the chain. This you can use for wet and dirt purposes as well. Single spray, once the chain is bone dry, it easily lasts you 5-6 kilometers, but it might need 2 or 3 applications. If it's a new chain, maybe from the second, third spray onwards, you'll see the longevity. Between 5 and 600 kilometers per spray can use. And you just use one small spray across the chain.
Where is your company based out?
It's a US based company, and we have an importer called Lagrani in Delhi, and we're distributing in Bangalore and South. We call it Amai Enterprise. Thank you.
So hi guys, we are a bunch of IIT graduates and we have come up with this product called Sepal. It's one of its kind motorcycle canopy, and if you see, it clearly makes sense why we have made this. It protects the rider and the pillion rider from sun, rain, dust, cold winds and all kinds of pollution what a two-wheeler rider faces, and it's very simple to install and very convenient accessory. If you see, it comes with this base. So this base is designed so that the structure can be fixed on any motorcycle which has a tank and foot pegs, and the entire structure is fixed using this industrial grade strap. So this way you don't have to make any permanent modifications, bolting, welding of any sort. So it takes only hardly 5 minutes, and beauty is you don't even have to use even a simple tool like screwdriver. Everything is done by your hand. So the advantage is when you want, you just toss it onto your tank, wrap it, done. When you don't want, you can put it. So the flexibility is the advantage of using this, because there are weather conditions when you want to ride, it's quite pleasant. You want to ride it, the bike as it is. But like today, the sun is very hot, you want something over your head. So that is where Sepal comes in very handy. And also, this windshield is quite wide and the canopy is quite long and wide enough to protect you totally. And another advantage is, like in your helmet visor, this whole windscreen splits and opens up. So you can see the innovative part there. And again, there are hundreds of bike models and different rider heights and positions. To fit all of them properly, we made this mechanism into height adjustable. Just lift it, click it, snap it. So whether you are a 6 feet rider or a 5 feet rider or even higher, this fits perfectly you and your pillion rider. There is all 2 more innovative products we have come up with. As you can see here, this is wide enough to protect the rider till your waist. Like you can see here, wide, long, so it protects me till my waistline. But what about my legs? They are way below. So that is why we have come up with something called thigh flaps. They're very simple accessory that come with the product, and they are strapped onto this like this. So you don't even have to carry it separately. They are just there on the product. And say suddenly it starts raining, then what do? Just pull this off and snap it to your legs. That's simple. So when you need a protection to your legs, you have it. And when you're done, you don't have to put this and take this with you, because you can, as easily as it is, can strap it back onto the product. So the wet thigh flap are something you don't have to worry. So there are far more features which I would like to explain one by one. As you can see, this product comes with a mobile holder. In cars, people carry their mobile holder very easily, but bike riders, they have to do this circus of pulling it every now and then and checking. So the beauty is you don't have to carry that. It's right where you want it to. And then that's not all. Sepal comes with an IoT module which is fixed over here, and once you hook it to that module, the they come with these buttons, like you can see here. There's a button here and there's a joystick here. So just download our app and voila, you have all the controls of your motorcycle, your phone, like navigation, call, answering, rejecting, your dashboard, speedometer, music, everything at your fingertips, all without having to touch it. You can just press the button and it will give you all the controls, just like what you have this Bluetooth hands-free in your car. Now the same functionality is brought to bikers. This way, for no reason, whether it's a call or rain or sun, you never need to stop unless you want. And the amazing part is this whole thing is made with very high strength, lightweight material. This metal frame is made up of aerospace grade aluminium, which is used in aeroplanes. So it is very lightweight and also very tensile. Similarly, the structure you can see, it's highly reinforced, fiber reinforced polymer. Again, it is very flexible, very high strength, lightweight. The whole structure weighs around 6.5 kgs. So that's hardly like a laptop bag. And the windshield is also made up of very strong material. You can never break it even if you want. It's called polycarbonate. The same thing what helmet visors are made. Extremely clear and very durable. My friends, this is how we have come up with this product, and it is useful for any and every rider in any case. Whether you are on your bike to your office, attending your meeting, or you are on a tour to your nearby village home or your farmhouse, or in a small group riding trip, or with your family and kids. In any case, Sepal is going to take care of you and improve your riding experience.
How did you come up with that name?
Yes, so Sepal is not so common name. What it means is it's a part of the flower. It's a green part below the flower that protects the flower. So if the flower is not yet blossomed, you will find this green petal-like things covering it to protect the flower. So this is exactly what Sepal also does. It protects us like what Sepal does for the flower. It protects us from water, dust and all. Same.
Nice. Thank you very much.
So if any of you are interested, you can follow us on Instagram at Sepal_auto, and we are also on YouTube. And we are also coming up with several more innovative products for bikers and even moped scooters also. One last thing is, we can say this is one of the recent innovations that has been totally developed by Indians, for Indians and made in India.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನೋಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗಲೇ ಅದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೋಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆದೇಶ್ವರ್ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೇನಾ ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೋಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, www.ridersarena.com. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ UNITY10, UNITY10. ಈ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನ. ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.